Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July the 14th on a Friday, and the market continues to impress. And you got the SPY there. You got the Q. Nice little break out of a range, closed on highs, gapping up a little bit today. And you even got IWM that has joined the party. So a lot of the small caps, I know a lot of people are, those are fun to play. You get some really good moves on the small caps. So nothing bearish about the tape, that's for sure, other than to say we may be getting a little bit overextended. So keep an eye out. It could be a profit taking. Sometimes on Fridays, you get after a big move, you get a profit taking a day. But let's look for some setups just in case these stocks want to keep going. All right. First on the list is SoFi. You can see I have a price alert above this 935 level. Citigroup had earnings this morning. That's also on my list, but I like the setup in SoFi better. So I'm watching that SoFi. You know me, I'm always looking for the setups. Probably my big setup pick for today is this AMD. Now, I entered this trade back on the 50-period moving average, half a position, and I've added to that position. And let's see if it can break through. You can see the pivot level there. You got this resistance. It's having a hard time getting through, but if it does, could be explosive. Next on the list, I think we have to take a look at this IONQ. Okay, riding this 10-period moving average, very strong. Look for a break above 15. I am in this for a while, but I may be adding if it gets above that 15. And one other one today, I think keep an eye on Tesla. It's still kind of setting up nicely, and but you can just, it's subjective where you want to buy if you do buy it. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.